looking to take your bathroom to the next level? Make your shower the star of the show. Whether you're committing to a full shower remodel or just want to make a quick update, you can create a shower design that brings your entire bathroom to life. Check out these top 3 shower trends that will make your shower something to sing about. For added style and function, add a shower niche. A niche isn't just a place to store your shower essentials, it is a great place to showcase your personal style. Utilize the same tile from your floors or walls for a cohesive look, or choose an accent tile that packs a punch. The options are endless for your shower niche, and you'll love the functionality and storage that it offers. Utilize contrasting floor and wall tile to create an eye-catching design. Mix patterns, shapes, and colors to add variation to your space. This will help you create a unique shower design that is entirely your style. If you want a subtle shake-up, try a hexagon on the floor with subway tile on the wall for just the right amount of contrast. Tie your bathroom together with updated fixtures. A simple yet impactful change, new fixtures will add a modern and stylish touch to your space. Floor & Decor offers a variety of finishes in bathroom fixtures, from nickel to black to brushed gold or chrome. Choose a style and color that complements your design and completes your space. When it comes to updating your shower, the possibilities are endless. Need help with your design choice? Schedule a free design appointment with one of our expert designers to make your ideas a reality.